Commander 6. Carlos said yes, yeah.
One of the to us Friday, Saturday, you know, deep one. Every 1 year. Yen me nyanko pon ide ye ho atone so. Wo ma ye ne mu wase da biara da. Oseme ni nyame maka se mehira no. Mehira. Nya yidie nya rehemu se ya sori ene ya waden. Nyamu papa e de mayen. We ba se na e be che 1000. Okay. Eti want ne we ba kind me make out or say an e be che. Enti no nyina said dial *281 hash. *281 hash. So no select option 4. Eti me yebu hanum de acho. Eti *281 hash. So two boni say na edoko direct. Na akwakonya eye option 1 2 3 4 5 6. Etu de nyina say obebo 4 e de ahyem. Unya bo 4 na afei ni obetwa bia no eye 5 Ghana cedis. Tibia betimi decide say oh me twa bia 30 Ghana, me twa bia 40 Ghana. So ni opeso twa bia no obetimi atwa e de ahyem saa e de akọ e de amantu no betimi atwa me bia se 10 apa no atwa 10 e de ahyem. Na se ekwa no wawie wadwuma. Na afia bisa say scars odi mobile money na 20 no. Na bisa so wabo pin e de ahye honum. Ubo pin shon mo anu ano o na akono no wodi awie *281 hash *281 hash select option 4 *281 hash select option 4 twagum na me ma 1000 Ghana cedis anopa ye me ma 1000 Ghana cedis anopa ye me di akwasinsia asemi di kabre na edru wonum Mamenfa happy birthday enko efama Angel Ahema Apre. Angel Ahema Apre. Ene your birthday. We wish you happy birthday. Nyame won shraw. Na onyo kese. Kosi so be kese pa we free. Your one and only the sticker darling boy. So Angel, happy birthday. And I'm come ho. Ebe adwuma wi mbati ne mabiase. Na nsem wo na the interior minister. Ona Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka. Ebe tu just say amononefo a Galamsey oye memu no. Se akiri wo mu a. Inse so bikwa kwogina asem ni bia abo mu kwadu na kota hwo mu kwada afia sana se ebo mu ka no. Ye nya ne se ni sa abre no. Ya chiwa ne no kokotoka wiemhye ngina bia na akofo wiemhye available at that moment na pua ona wosre no na meka ye din komo about this Galamsey fight and komo ne bebre na mana kwa wie se ye nwien me wo fom wona nka se omo ye Galamsey kapre bi ni bottom na nipa bi na church da sankrofo na epiepiem yodom ebi China for ebi ankase mpenfo wo mamu na ato apesika de ato enema omo de ye adwuma no etuhwe aban ko na wo ko ne nyina esem so be ka ahead of 2024 elections President Mama can say we should not be so much focused on omo gina kwaye mu a omo etu sika no na bo wona a church ne so o ka President Mama asem no o say yemi yeni ko wona a church ne no epia sam ko sam mu no kwache omo a oche omo kwa ye do mo ye adwuma obi na hye bi ono akoye de engine of adwuma no mo ye no eti esidi sa engine dia eto atwa one of such engines no aye these foreigners the Chinese and the other nationals Togo Benin Cote d'Ivoire for kra wom but now the Minister of Interior and National Security Honorable Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka say ye three sound Crawford and President Mama catch ahead of 2024 election say omo na o see focus on so na o say ma yem prosecute omo ye nyo mo kwa no mo ko mo krom penisi ka ko ye ko krom ti asemu a the minister akasa de tudwa hwe Honorable Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka and second video no
and the Chinese and some other citizens Filipinos that we found the kind of activities that we do were purely defrauding citizens around the world using a system that is set up that was so sophisticated. Many of them are into our forests. Many of them are cutting our trees unlawfully. Others are involved in Galamsey activities and many other crimes. We have resolved as a new policy that for two things, you in our forest, whether doing Galamsey or cutting our trees unlawfully, getting yourself into fraud activities, that's whether using computer or other fraud activities, for these two crimes, when we arrest any foreigner, we are not interested in prosecuting them. Our first option is to take them back to their country. And this is something that we are very serious about. And you are the first point of call when sometimes you make arrest or go to
Muhammad Mubarak Muntakasem Enye. Some years back, the former senior minister under Nana Danko Akufo-Addo led MPP government, Honorable Yao Osaf Mafo. And so can ye chi Aisha one, ye kasi ye money kwadu. Okwojina America memu ka say, Aisha one na ye money kwadu, enfe aduane si Ghana fo etable so. Ti Osaf Mafo. Now, you had to some paid for some year. But almost so you're getting us your child, dear. You're from Kojina Semibia. Near more quadu. Now, on mine, mamma, and you need send ye send a fatter. Name so we are man only need a child, dear. Young Fanko, Anasi a chiwa, fast will be a credit to say. Yabo quadu. Share honorable yourself, Mafo, as what did you at that time. Oh, America, British memo.
You in a relationship with China. They're the main company that is helping develop the infrastructure system in Ghana. Is Sino Hydro. It's a Chinese company. It's the one that's going to help process our bauxite and provide about $2 billion to us. These kind of arrangements, putting that lady in jail in Ghana is not going to solve your economic problem. Relationship with China. They're the main company that is helping develop the infrastructure system in Ghana.
Eti uti asemwa Honorable yourself Mafo so kind. Adwumaku ana emi esika me de Sino Hydro project o Ghana no omo free China. Sometimes enkomodie bia ekoso wo akire no ya Ghana for monte. Ti enkomodie ni bi ne say China ni free no krom aba be say yasase. Abese ye kwaye abese ye nsuo ma ye ma mamra no eni ne mom ye mfa no kodi mamu boko na asomdwe mra na mo Ghana ni no ka no de ye fa no kotu sawam wa woni ye mpani fo na dwen Ghana ni no ka no ye asase o ye na asase ye ne dia ye na oduma kuma edi gold ne edi ache ye se ye de ye che ya ye fe kotu afiase ye kodi na kakra ewo sawam na dwafie ye moye kwadu e ka de bebo ye moye afiase ne be kwa ye kwa afiase na mom nipa na wo firi ni mamu ba ha no ba ya do kro na me ye bi ni de ye fa ni kodu krom that I stand by ship dealer a video no mame arantie bi wo Pure FM oni kankan bo na ta ye adwuma o kanse mebi ni afi se fe odie o kanse bi about ye man no timamufuo ene apletfo hwe ade a ship dealer e kai
oh man mu nsam de man we de se mujo asumdue man anampa chomegwa de bia ni o man ya wo no ho ko police station ni achi wu kromani na hyem ni agya wo ho de onko de asumdue nkwa enti ho bia beba de wo no now ni mo ana
o man oni owo nya asema
ai wu kromani no owo nya asema ni achi wu kromani na hyem ni agya ho no se bla wo de ko ai umfiri akoba mi we di ai anu ofiri ya ne be ka asem enti wo ko mi wu bi da o wi ase ba bia agisa na nya sa na tie
onse okan no se nyina yesre onse okan ne nyina yesre e ye feel
Commander 6.
but e serious catch them pen mun hwe ade na mo yetimamfo ne ye o na se nsuo tapo nkyereni a obeji wo
Fix. Kano said yes, yeah.
Ona akoka ne beka to se ona wo ye ojabom ma nipa na ohyechi na wo ye ade ne betumi akofa ojabom aba ne ne hu ni asem ye mpelifo mo hwe ne ye o famiko Ghana web ye mpelifo mo hwe ne ye o Ghana mpelifo mo hwe ne ye o Ghana web about you wait free mu where 26 August 2015 Ghanaian sentenced to 3 years in jail. Ghanaian sentenced in 3 years in jail. China. The Bonnie Okoye said on the 25th August 2015, the High People's Court of the Guangdong Province sentenced a Ghanaian to 3 years imprisonment for selling entry exit certificate to students who opted to study in China. The Ghanaian, who is married to a Chinese and with a 2-year child, has 10 days within which to appeal against the ruling. This case has been lingering on for the past year, and the accused attests to the fact that he was given a fair hearing but could not engage the service of a legal counsel to mitigate the sentence. You know, person ko suande o China, and the genuine affair che la kakara ma boys na. Utwa krata bi gu ma boys na boys ko suande che no. Okode afia so China fin hia miesa. Fam ko America website no. America website, yes, the Western District, Pennsylvania, there no. Ghanaian national sentenced to prison for role in money laundering scheme. America. And the end deporting. And the end deporting. Or your money laundering. Na kedi Galamsey can kese paniwo. Ghana anyway, or your money laundering. What America approach me? Money laundering yan says secure the kwan when the client send for ko say there be say name bi wase and ye che no e ko to afiase e wa America. Ya bonama. But you Ghana mpanifo e ye 2 media show monsa. Se mo fam protect o man. Mo fam mo nipa ne japade ho ban. By a dog watching Yankase.
And that's fixed. Kano said yes, yeah.
Your dog war a chain Yankase. Yeah, can be. How can you tell me, say, Ghana ni no se quiet him? Eye Galamsey, your uncle Defiasi. Brony no ni sikapa ye de be yes, Galamsey, ye nyale maniko. Meanwhile, President John Dramani Mama, I catch say, we should not focus on Crofona at the quiet him. Or what was sponsor me focus on so. President Mama, where are you? When your minister was saying this,
man, that's fixed. Kano said yes.
Shame on to us. Shame on to us. Your political power, you can't say me baby. Ghana for the 2 minutes, Maya, you grow Ghana for you because you have more ha. Because you nim nyansa.
Kano said yes, yeah.
Na sebi, and you dumba. Ukrom no kwachina tum. Onko da fiase. O one dia won ko. How can you fight Galamsey with this kind of attitude? And now no suffer for a year no. You can't watch them. And some of us were thinking, say, the political class will learn something from it. And some of you, these guys, spoke against it. And then this Yaba power, repeating the same thing they complain, and the party supporters are clapping. We are sick. You got it? See, more than one. Yes, I don't know. I didn't pay for me here, some years back. Yeah, 3 and good so penny one can say, you know, yeah, penny baba, yeah, the corner, yeah, boy, some man, everything, I better penny phone for you.
Kano said yes.
Yeah, do more. I turn them more. Say, I turn them ha, a Kenya suddenly da. What a muntaka. It's no better me a coquam so copam gala for a Galamsey. And no better me a call. So I got your mokugum. Yes, I don't know. Muye mo me mutina ye jatodo. Moye mama phone no mo so mko salai eto aba. Ti baba dwema ye ne nsiri ade a hang oman say oman no brani ntimi si ano kwane woni nsusu ye nyina no betim de aba. Wei eto ka so ka we che Ghana for ahead of 2025 ke to aba de mind this.
Commander 6. Colonel Seniors here.
Officer san to aba wei ense mo na me call ye say NDC ba Ghana for the Galamsey ye betwe ma court akobom kwadu na bom abrofo amanofo na eba ne ye twe ba Adom kokrom ka benya konya betra bi ate no President Mama Ghana for show. We are looking up to you. Ye pesi hu ne wo beka. This is the saying of your Minister of Interior. Your Minister of Interior ekani against the whole kan ye abla ne ekoto aba. Ye twen hu ne obeka. Ana sebi yempen for nyi Ghana for hu sa ade. We the Galamsey alokwai. Wait. Na bede kura na so genia na police ni enya akokoduru akokuru mo se wokopam ne nia no na wokoche broni dia ye so ne fa nko tawim se ne fa nko.
Colonel Seniors here.
Ye ti obi ofuro mam dia ye se pa wiem se fa no no fa nko krom. Me so fra asati mapon me ti mos ayi sanyo so fa nko asati mapon. Ani guasefo am se mpanifo am di o man so. Eti ye kwadu nyina anie. We are come to deal with Galamsey. We are going to be anie. Huh? Make sure my last minister Becca. If this is the way we are going to fight Galamsey, I'm sorry to tell you, you're failing.
Fix. Colonel Seniors here.
You're failing. And the young one said, Muntaka deputy. Ebeka said Galamsey will be worse. And young one. It's a shame. President Mama, Ghana for 10 over can say, where Asem Mutaka Kaye. One year to about 2024 catch say. My focus on Brante the Gungram one so. Or more church their pierce come no, you focus on so. Ebi na Mutaka see a choma inform com cromono. Ebi and a Mutaka see a choma, you form com cromono. It's a pen for some composition in our day. Eya born na mabon eya bro na mobon man no ane se be baye na eya mo
6 Colonel Seniors here.
Osef ma for kan bi ya tu ya no aguro so se nya sa dia kokko no mami ayi Pennsylvania dia no ya tu ya no aguro so looking for a say nipa be take over bia from akufo bia no we'll learn from it na bia na ba repeat na dia to ba ma awe ye dey sika na opa bia dia na. Ah, President Mama, si kana pebi edi. Ghana ni, ewa America, Pennsylvania, ni achina tumuno. Ghana ni wa Pennsylvania for money laundering. Any amona ma Ghana. Mumo me ya wre hododo. Mumo ma ya wre too much. Mumo Ghana for no mo say yesama do mama back. If this is the way that you're going to deal with Galamsey, then President Mama, it's a shame. It's your mom running for Galamsey in your way.
Colonel Seniors here.
Yeah, but you gonna for that too. Neja one of Mukom Krum. Yamu Yamabo. On fear upon a chain. Yame, on Yamabo. No fear upon a chain. For having more as our leaders. Said more my Ghana. It's a shame, President Mama, that under your government, something you criticized, something you spoke against in opposition, you are condoning it, President Mama. President Mama. Uya mama for assessing form. Uya ma Ghana friend you home. Uya me assessing form. Medicaka say we should all support you for you to succeed because if failure Ghana is doomed. President Mahama, rise up! Rise! John Mahama water, rise up! You are Etiman share your opposition. You only came to continue from where Akufo-Addo left us. President Mama. A day. Can I am penny for a day? Can I am penny for a day? Democracy, one nonsense. This kind of democracy becoming nonsense for us. Because MPP Baba, I'm repeating the same mistake NDC here. Now NDC Aba, I'm repeating the same mistake MPP here. And for so ben also be kwako to aba. And for so ben also. And you kwako to aba ye den. Because kwasi kwana so gyan kwanti aba to ne kwako to. What no position condemning adie. Na aba power aba the same thing. They have been pen for my bro. We ain't papa on the four. We ain't papa on the four. When you're born, boy, you brought the do mine. What about live drone? I ready? Mami Sika live drone. Okay. Star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Select option 4. Back here, we should be 5 Ghana cedis. Chagum sa. Me man the last 2 minutes. Chagum. Last 2 minutes. Chagum na menya mau. One wini. Last 2 minutes. Chagum. Obia o kwan so betimi awini. Obia. Ni odi ka twa dada. Ni afa no ba betwa. O kwan so betimi awini. Star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Select option 4. Select option 4. Star 281 hash. Option 4. Chagum. Okay, yanko 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One I win yanko 0536 449 ***. 0536 449 ***. When you 1,000 Ghana cedis anopaye. If you create 1,000 Ghana cedis anopaye, I'm no kase ye. Adem ya oko. 1,000 Ghana cedis anopaye. Okay, when you na mini komansa na omahene kwabna santiatra no the last draw and so abro. Makacho say from Monday to Friday on Big Dream, you 3,000 Ghana cedis. You 3,000 Ghana cedis. You be nyina so dial star 281 hash. Phone bia used to be say Android, say a yam. We will hear internet, we hear a service. Star 281 hash. No select option 4. Now confirm your payment and one on our choir, sir. Pacho Abaswana. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, what's that, Kausikano? Yes, try the. Now, try say.
Yes. I'm a partner, Mr. One. I'm saying that the young boy, the money, I'm so I never done a mean diet. I'm at the back of Savannah.
Wow.
You must have sent for us for a month.
Okay.
May I want to swear? I don't see your mama congratulations.
Hey, Johnny, why
I don't see you for us.
Amen. Amen. Now, where do I die?
But I watch mother for you.
What the quack where die?
Milton Best in the middle of
Fast also. Yeah, that's now. I go to chat another one. So why?
I
know I saw. Any jam fear, nice one. It is say other tier, big gem. Ocean wadi. So, Sana football net here. I'm for supporters, Sani, a Wobby Sika, near Tinta so good, so good, no munya, the betting by. na boys after the ohwe football na benya kakra yeso hwa Adom TV na onya kakra ohwe Adom TV na onya kakra etu hwe sa tu ne bani za dem Cosmo fide na ha sa hwe sa obedi sa de akọ. Then happy birthday encore Ethma Priscilla Akosia Japan. Prisoner your birthday and this is from your husband. Also, let me read this. I wish you a day filled with joy, laughter, and everything that makes you happy. You are the best, and I love you more than words can say. It's the praise from your husband to you. The happy birthday. He loves you to max. Oma ine kwabra sante. Ay krado. Odi pense mu. Bro. Mede dia kwesisia. Asem dikani. Bakra.
Asem yidiko. Asem yidika.